Trubor nakaslem jong Nongsaiñ Hima.
Soil Testing Laboratory. What is the key objective of the scheme? The key objective is to evaluate soil fertility status for making fertilizer recommendations and to identify the type and degree of soil-related problems like acidity, etc., and to suggest appropriate reclamation, amelioration measures like liming through distribution of soil health card. What is the type of assistance entitlement? Free soil testing services and provision of soil health cards for farmers. Who can apply for the scheme? Bona fide farmers having cultivable land and engaging in agriculture. How to apply for the benefits of the scheme? Bona fide farmers can apply in plain paper to the District Agriculture Officer of the concerned district through Agriculture Development Officer of CNRD Block, Agriculture Circle, Subdivisional Agricultural Officers of the concerned subdivisions, or directly to the Research Officer of the Soil Testing Laboratory in Shillong, Tura, or Jowai. What is the beneficiary selection procedure? All soil samples collected from farmers' fields or different grid location and brought to the Soil Testing Laboratory are tested and soil health cards are generated accordingly.